Isabella, this is Joe. I just wanted to put together a quick video for you on how to format an MLA document. This is not complete, but you had a couple of questions, and it's easier to show than to sort of describe it. So this is what you see in front of you is just your post. I just copied the text of your post. And so your first question is how to double space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click. I'm sorry, I'm not going to right click. I'm just going to select everything. And then do you see this button here? It's under paragraph. And it looks like a bunch of lines with two arrows. When I hover over it, it says line and paragraph spacing. When I click on that, I can go to 2. And right when I don't even have to click anything, you can tell that when I hover over it, it double spaces everything for me. So I'll just click on 2.0. It will keep that. And then your second question was about indenting. So there's a really cool trick for this. So I'm going to select one of your works cited. Okay. And this is, if you don't see this here, this little bar with like a ruler, you can go to View, and its ruler is the first one right here. So make sure that you see the ruler. Okay. Now these two buttons over here tell me about the margins. The top one is the entire margin. So if I click and drag, you'll see, oops. I'm sorry, the top one is for the indent of the first line. Okay, so you see on how it indents the first line for me. But for works cited, for each citation line, you want what's called a hanging indent. So you don't want to indent the first line, you actually want to indent every other line. So instead of the top little button, whatever that thing is called, I'm going to click and drag this bottom one. And you see that when I click and drag it over, it indents every line that's not the first line. And there you go. If you have any other questions, I'll be happy to help. Thanks.